Hi folks, I just realised, there's so much stuff on different sites like YouTube and all that, and in the media telling us, what's wrong with us and how we haven't done enough and how we need to do more and all that. And really, if life's tough and if you're still surviving and you're managing to exist and all that, you're doing really well, and you're doing much better than some people try and make out. And yeah, things go wrong, and there's things we would like to happen that we haven't managed to do yet, but please be kind to yourself, and I'm going to try and do it as well, remind myself that I've, compared to how things were and to how things could have been, things I don't want to jinx it, but things could be a lot worse, and it's good that we're still surviving and we're keeping on trying and all that. So yeah, be kind to yourself, and in all this barrage and bombardment of messages from the media and all that telling us we're not good enough and about all the troubles in the world, really, you're doing really great. You're doing really well, like keeping on going and living and being good-hearted to other people and all that. That's a massive thing, so yeah, lots of love to you. See you later. Bye.